Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll be sharing the things to remember while entering in exam hall for Kcet, JEE or any other competitive exam. While entering the exam hall for a competitive exam, it's essential to keep certain things in mind to ensure a smooth and successful experience. Here are some important things to remember. Admit card. Carry your admit card or hall ticket along with a valid photo identification document as per the instructions provided by the exam conducting authority. Time management. Be aware of the reporting time mentioned in your admit card. Arrive well in advance to avoid last minute rush or delays. Required stationery. Pack the necessary stationery items such as pencils, pens, erasers, sharpeners, rulers, etc. Ensure that they are in a good working condition. Water bottle and snacks. Check if you are allowed to carry a water bottle and some light snacks to help you stay hydrated and energized during the exam. Dress comfortably. Wear comfortable dresses that comply with the dress code specified by the exam conducting authority. If applicable, avoid clothing with large pockets or accessories that may cause inconvenience during the exam. Prohibited items. Familiarize yourself with the list of items prohibited in the exam hall, such as electronic devices, books, notes, watches, phones, etc. Leave such items at home or in a safe place outside the exam hall. Follow instructions. Pay close attention to the teacher's instructions. Follow the rules and regulations of the exam hall, such as maintaining silence, not communicating with the other candidates, or to the seating arrangements. Mental preparations. Stay calm and composed. Take a few deep breaths to relax your mind before entering the exam hall. Maintain a positive attitude and believe in your preparation. Time management during the exam. Once the exam begins, manage your time effectively. Allocate sufficient time for each section on questions based on the marks allotted and difficulty level. Keep an eye on the clock to ensure you complete the exam within the given time frame. At the last, all the best for your exams, and remember, this is not the last exam of your life. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing.